You are going to love the 2018 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver convenience group. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.